If you want to know the best place to trade binary options, you found the right video. Hello everyone, I'm Ariel and today I'll be telling you all about Quotex. Now, binary options are a financial instrument that allows traders to speculate on the price movement of underlying assets such as stocks, currencies, and commodities. Now, unlike traditional options, binary options have a fixed payout and a fixed expiry time. Now, to trade binary options, you first need to select an asset to trade, choose the amount you want to invest, and then predict whether the price of the asset will go up or down within a specific time frame. So Quotex is by far the best broker. The company was established in 2019 and their clients can trade currencies, metals, oil, cryptocurrencies, stock indices. And I'm going to show you how to register and how to use their platform. The link will be right below this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the same link. So it's very simple. It has a smooth interface. It's one of the most reliable platforms for trading. And they provide this modern and transparent trading platform with all the tools an ongoing binary options trader would need if you want to be successful. And even the process of the payouts and deposits are fast and easy, and just like the trading procedure itself. So I'm going to go ahead and create another demo account to show you guys how to register. So you just click sign up, it's in the top right corner. You enter an email and choose a password. And you select the currency, so I'm just gonna keep it as USD. And there you go, it's pretty easy. So when you sign up for a demo account, you get $10,000, and this is beneficial to new traders, especially because they allow you to become more familiar with the trading software and you get a sense of how the market works because you're trading under real life market situations. However, you're not using your real money. And it's also pretty easy to switch over to a real account because all you got to do is tap trade and then go ahead and make a deposit. So you can click deposit, that's in the top right corner. And when you tap deposits, this is something that I love about their platform. They have a long list of cryptocurrencies to choose from. And as you can see here, they have USDT, Binance Pay, Binance Coin, Tron. They even have Dogecoin, right? So they have a pretty long list. And of course, you can also make a deposit with Perfect Money. Their minimum investment amount is 10 USD, and this is very affordable, so it makes their platform even more accessible to people who are just starting off. However, verification would be needed when you start your real deposits. So Quotex also has some bonus offerings. So right now, for example, you sign up, you make a deposit, and you get 30% off the deposit that you made. You could also get a 20% bonus. If you deposit $10, you could get 25% bonus when you deposit $25, or even 35% bonus if you deposit $105. The process of making a withdrawal is just as easy as making a deposit. So right now, this is a brand new demo account. So I don't have a bank card connected. I don't have an electronic wallet connected, but it's a very easy process. And once you make that request, it's processed within 3 business days. And I think that's pretty good. Many people would have no problem whatsoever making a deposit, but when it comes to actually trying to withdraw the money, it's an issue. So I actually love that it only takes 3 business days to get it withdrawn. Quotex offers straightforward digital options products. So as such, it offers convenient user interface, trading signals, indicators, and fast processing speeds. Now, selecting an asset displays its live price chart. So you could just tap trade or tap demo and you'll find the asset in the top left corner. So you choose the asset that you want to trade and you start analyzing. And it's also possible to do multi-charting. So you can open more than one chart at the same time and switch between them. So we can just take a quick look at the menu on the right. So at the top you see that they have the support option. Their support is actually 24/7, so I love that. Then you have trade, which is what we're on right now. Then demo, you can go ahead and take a look at your account. Analytics, top, and top is their leaderboard. So they actually have a leaderboard that shows the top 20 earners for that day, which is a pretty cool feature. Then you have the signals, the market, and of course tournaments are seen here. Quotex offers you a huge variety of tools to analyze the markets, including the trading signals. So you can choose more than 30 indicators, 4 chart types, and a lot of different time frames for analysis. Even technical drawing tools are available. And you can find your indicators in the bottom left corner right here. Now, to keep the display clean, users can hide the indicator name or additional details without having to lose their markup on charts. And also, the minimum amount you can trade is $1 and the maximum is $1,000. And you do get up to 95% of the maximum returns per trade. So if you're interested in finding the perfect binary options platform, Quotex is the answer, and I hope this video helped. Remember, the link is right below this video. Thank you so much for watching to the end.